All right, this is the Samsung Bespoke over-the-range microwave with white glass. It does not have any kind of light up features on it unless you have the actual over the stove light on. It does have some pre-selected buttons like popcorn and sensor cook, reheat and defrost. Um, Other than that, the time won't stay on there unless you actually have the light on over the range. It is not very fingerprint resistant. You can see along here, every time you open it, you get fingerprints. It has the side handle, but still every time you have to open it, you're gonna have to open it that way. Every time you're gonna have to use the buttons, you're gonna have to press it, and it's gonna be all kinds of fingerprint smudges. Everything on the inside is black or dark gray. It has the turnstile on the inside, but it does give you some information on how to cook there. It's a nice sleek design, but not the best.